students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 6 on chapter number 4 basic geometrical ideas, and today we are going to do exercise 4.2 of NCERT. Before we begin with the exercise, let's understand some common terms that will be used. Simple closed curve, open curve and polygon. Let us distinguish among them. Number 1, simple closed curve. Now first of all, what is a curve? Now the curve which is made up of some dots in a form of a line segments or the curved lines, or it can be line segment and curved line, and when they are made closed, it becomes the simple closed curve. So all the shapes which you know, circle, triangle, rectangle, square, they all are simple closed curve. But if they cross with one another, then it is not the simple closed curve. For example, 8 I have written over here, or many more shapes are there. If they cross over one another, then it is not treated as simple closed curve. So for a simple closed curve, the lines or the curves should meet with one another without crossing above them. Second, open curve. So it's the word itself is clear. If it is not joined together or it is left open, that will be treated as open curve. The one which is not closed. Endpoints are not meeting or they are not closing the shape, so it will be treated as an open curve. Next comes the polygon. Now polygon is always a closed figure which is made up of line segments only. Now if I say one line, polygon cannot be made. If I say two lines, it will remain as open. It cannot be closed if I join two lines. For joining the shape, I need minimum of 3 line segments, that is a triangle. So I can say that for bare minimum requirement of polygon is triangle, and with above that there can be n number of line segments and we can draw the shape from it. So please remember that for a polygon you need to have a closed figure and it should be made up of line segments. Whereas in the case of closed curve or open curve, if we talk about, it can be made of line segments or it can be used a curved line. In any ways we can do it. If the endpoints join or meet, they become closed. If the endpoints are left open, then it will be an open curve. Question number 1, some shapes are given to you. We have to distinguish between whether they are open or closed. So if you look at the first part, Z is written over here, endpoints are not meeting with one another, so it is an open curve. B part, curved lines are there, so it is a closed curve, there is no opening over here. C part, there is no joining, it's an open curve. D part is closed and E part is also closed. Question number 2, you need to draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following: open or closed. So open, you can draw any shape with the form of lines or curves, but you will not meet together and the endpoints, whereas in the closed you can draw any shape. There should not be any opening left between the points, they should be joined. Question number 3, you need to draw polygon, and you know polygon minimum 3 sides are required and you need to use line segments only, so you can draw any shape for a polygon. Question number 4, they are asking whether is it a curve. Yes, we can say it is a curve, because what is curve basically? Curve is made up of dots, they are joined together, whether they are formed in a straight line, whether they are formed in a curved line. So it is a curve. Is it closed? Yes, of course it is closed. We can see there is no opening, all the sides are tied together, so it is a closed curve. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. Number 1, a closed curve which is not a polygon. What is a polygon? Polygon is made up of line segments. They are saying it should not be a polygon. That means we will not use the straight lines. So we have drawn a circle here. Circle is a closed figure, but it is not a polygon. An open curve made up of entirely of line segments. So we have drawn a diagram here. You can draw any shape, just don't join the ends together. It will remain as open. Third, A polygon with two sides. No, it is not possible because a polygon is a closed figure. And how will I close the figure with the line segments? Minimum of 3 sides are required to close it. If I use 2 sides, it will remain open and it will be like a form of an angle. So that will be not treated as polygon. It is not possible. Bare minimum sides required are 3. With this, we end up with exercise 4.2 here, children. I hope it is clear what is open and closed. Take care of this. You can draw any shapes wherever you feel comfortable. It's not necessary you have to use my drawing only. You can draw anything you feel like. Very soon I am going to come with exercise 4.3. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.